Ito, tutorial muna kami kung paano mag-live ang mga lola.
Kamusta?
Wait lang, paano makakamute?
At least hindi siya namamaga.
Paano
Parang lola.
Si AJ parang lola.
Oo. And then her camera's like,
Yo.
AJ.
Can you hear me?
Sabi nila, AJ, blink twice if you need help.
Hoy! Dinig ba ako?
Yeah. So for today's video, we're gonna be, it's actually our 4th year anniversary, like our actual updated anniversary.
Yes, our anniversary.
We actually consider this as a new anniversary kasi ito yung...
Ano mo, AJ?
AJ!
Maingay. Hanap ako ng... Wait lang.
Sinasabi natin.
Sorry. Hanap ako ng lugar.
Ito magla-live din ako kay Althea. Kasi
Yung mga OG bullets, like what Alfie was saying, they know that, before our anniversary was last month, but we have updated our anniversary because we have started this era with Palaban, who's continuing as the three Palaban game. Happy anniversary, guys!
Happy anniversary! And
Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary, Jake.
wait lang, magiging dalawa si Althea.
Blurred talaga daw ako.
Okay naman ka sa akin.
Okay naman ka sa akin.
Okay din naman. Okay din naman kayo.
Ka naman.
Wait lang. Hanap. Dito.
AJ, mag-jeep mo.
Invite ko si Althea. Kawawa naman si Althea. Wala pa siya dito.
At dahil naghanap si AJ ng single hotspot lugar.
Hala, paano ba to? Hi!
You guys don't know, we
Kasi ako
Ayan.
22.
just announced our
Malinaw
concert.
naman daw ako.
Our concert and our concert poster with the ticket prices. We added.
Ba't ayaw niya mag-add kay Althea? Sige, wag na. Bye-bye, guys. Sinan ko kay
Ano
Althea.
daw?
She's gonna add her.
Blurred pa rin daw ako eh.
Hindi ka blurred.
Althea, asan ka? Yun nga, hindi ko nga ma-add.
AJ, hindi ka blurred.
Huwag mong isipin na blurred ka, AJ. Hindi ka blurred.
Blurred Lines by Robin Thicke.
Ah.
AJ,
Yung hindi na maingay yung BG ko, naka-earphones nga ako eh.
pero delayed ka
Ano
na.
ba, AJ, yung tatlong dot sa baba? AJ.
Tatlong dot sa baba. Wala akong tatlong dot.
Katabi nung share edit.
Wala akong tatlong dot.
Ang crazy naman ni Jazz.
Crazy, ang so
Tatlong dot.
Oh my gosh, wait.
Mom.
Naliloko na ako.
I'm so quirky, guys.
Paano ba to? Sorry guys. Bigyan niyo na kami.
AJ yan, guys. Kami na okay lang kami.
Actually. AJ kasi, sorry.
Today's a tough day.
Now I'm AJ. Hi guys, I'm G-Time to AJ.
So Jazz, entertain muna the fans while we're nagpapakalola dito. Wait.
Point of view when you see a baby.
Hi again.
Guys, what am I doing? Sorry. Nagkape ako ng dalawa. Ito, 2025 life review. Achieve life goals. Best 2025 life moment. We sang together. Biggest change in 2025 appearance, inner world. I don't know, inner world. Maybe, I don't know, the hair. Well, ano hindi, 2026 na rin. Ay, nawala na be. Your role in 2026 content era. Hello? AJ, mahina yung signal mo tapos mag-filters ka pa. Okay guys, I'm so sorry. We're having
Hindi, matik yan. Normal ko yan.
nag-message si Althea na nawala siya. Na nawala din si AJ naman. Alright! So, we will get back to the program shortly. Kay,
I'm
hindi guys,
still here.
girl, you're so loud.
Still here. I'm still here.
I'm so... Oh! So, G22 official, aka G22 Althea.
Hanap na ako ng signal.
Iyak na ako, guys. Pasensya na. We are professionals in the professional industry field of
Walang signal eh. Tour.
alright. So, Acer, I hope soon that you'll have internet. Okay, guys. Alright, please stay with us. My members will be with you shortly. Isa naglalakad, isa nawala. Pero huwag kayong mag-alala.
Ako, ayan, may signal na ako. I have
Ayan.
signal na.
Yes! Stay there, AJ. Don't move. Don't move.
Yes. I'll stay here. I'm not gonna move. People are gonna be watching me,
Don't
so...
shout. Live laughing.
Hi guys, kamusta kayo? I hope you guys are doing great.
Ali, Dios, C3,
We will
Book.
sell... What?
AJ is a woman coming with. Yes, AJ, that's why don't move.
I'm not moving.
I'm not moving. Yan!
Ayan. She's here.
From Philippines.
Ayan.
Yan!
Nil-start nila nang hindi nagsasabi. So I was like, what's happening?
We are here, we are together, ready and shoot.
Hi guys, so meron kaming bagong... Guys, we will celebrate our anniversary na.
Yeah.
On... When?
Thank you, Mother. Thank you, Justin. Thank you, Gab. Thank you.
When?
Wag mo kaming kainin, AJ.
Imagine doing that here, like outside.
Guys, feeling ko, let's
Let's get physical. Let's get physical.
I think kailangan mo ayusin yung official yung...
It's our 4th year. Since our anniversary, let's talk about some of the memories we have.
Yo.
Some funny stories.
A lot.
So for some reason, nung trainee days kami, I mean, we know why. He's an amazing artist. But we did a lot of Inigo Pascual songs.
Yes.
Also did Lost. Did you know we did Lost? We did, ano, and
Not my problem, not my
oh,
problem.
that's Doja Cat. Hi! Thank you.
AJ, pansinin mo ako please. Hello, Chelabs.
Come to Brazil. Brazil! I want to go to Brazil. Is that a Brazilian song?
I don't know. Sorry po. Sorry.
Si AJ nasa gala era.
Yes.
Today.
Today has been so stressful for me.
Kinain na naman si tayo ni AJ.
Today, I don't know what to feel about today.
AJ.
I'm just scared of the internet today.
Yeah, we're Team AJ's side. So if you've got a problem, you can add.
Wait lang, bago ang lahat. Bakit ba ngayon yung bago nating anniversary?
Ngayon ba?
Yes, I was
Oo, ngayon.
Kasi nga, na-release si...
Ito na po yung bagong anniversary namin kasi ito yung official na buo talaga kami. Kami na to.
Yes, talaga naman.
Yes.
At hindi lang anniversary ang pinag-uusapan natin today dahil nag-announce kami ng solo concert!
Yes!
Concert ang na-announce, pati ang ticket prices!
Yes! Ang tears! Yes!
Pesos. Thank you guys.
Also, ticket selling soon.
Yes, ipon-ipon na guys. Bibigyan namin kayo ng time para makapag-ipon syempre.
Just enough time.
Kangal.
Time. So,
Lalo na after ng payday nyo.
yes, we will wait for that. And once the ticket website comes out, you better get your tickets now before they get bought by us.
Yes. Nag-ano ba sila dito? Nagbaban ba sila dito na nagpapatugtog?
Hindi.
Papatugtog ako sa
Also guys, ang masasabi ko din, mahal namin kayo. Alam namin yan. Ramdam namin yan. So don't doubt yourself for loving us. Dahil alam namin yan.
At dahil dyan, love you too.
Ate. Tatay po sa...
Sorry, babe.
Mabago ng konti, be.
Eto.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ngan mo konti. Thank you for the flowers.
Eto.
Pwede na yan, pwede na yan.
Wala nang tunog.
Eto.
So guys, ganito ako, nakatayo lang ako dito, di ako mangangalay.
So pag may nakatayo kayo dyan, kung nasa labas kayo, may nakita kayo nakatayo lang sa labas, si AJ yun.
Ako yun.
Wow!
Wow! Thank you for the
flowers.
Thank you for the flower. Thank you for the cat. Thank you for the cat. Meow meow.
Dito lang talaga ako. Oh my God, mukha akong timang. Wait lang.
Hala, oh my gosh, thank you for the dog. Purr.
Yes, guys, see you there, babes. We're like screaming on top of each other because there's so much things going on. I'm so sorry, guys. But please, July 12th is our concert at New Frontier.
So, dito lang ako.
Na-announce na yung venue, be?
Na-announce yung venue Frontier. Cherry.
New from T.
Ay, akala ko ako na-announce. Alright.
At na-announce na rin ang special guest natin, si Shrek.
Correct. May i-announce ko pa ba, Jazz? Kasi ako yung place, New Frontier.
Ako yung guest, si Shrek.
Okay.
Ikaw, Jazz.
Ano, may special effect. Yung microphone ni AJ.
Uy.
Yun yung, ano, alam mo na, napapasok kami sa
Hi, Ash. Jazz, sabi ni Janela, I love you daw.
I love you, Janela.
Ba't daw nagiging rhino si AJ, sabi ni Luis. Sabi ni All Royal Young. Isang hi naman, Jazz, please.
Nakakangalay pala to, guys.
Thank you, I'm Takwawa. I love you, Plushie.
Alright, so if you have any dial anniversary, you can go to if you have any questions. Sorry.
Ay, di ba mag-ano tayo? Di ba mag-beach tayo? Soon? Di ba?
Mas alam ko, maraming free ng time na yan.
If you have any comments for our
Thank you
concert,
for the flower.
Mahal namin kayo guys. Mahal ko kayo. Promise, promise, promise. Yan si Jeppy Tot. Yan si Jeppy Tot. Yan si Jeppy Tot. Ay, Jeppy.
Ganun pinaka-gift. Si Jeppy Tot yung ano, Trump in the sky. Ah,
Pranking myself.
pranking myself.
Guys, nangangalay na ako.
Pinili mo yan.
Ano inclusion ng ticket? To be announced soon. Kasama yan ng ticket selling.
Malapit na rin ma-announce yan. Kaya abang-abang na lang tayo.
Sorry, the girls and I have been conceptualizing this with the team for a long time, so we're gonna make it worth your while.
Josh, magpapakita ng mukha si G22 official. Charot. Akala ko
Hey, Cynthia! Guys, am I here? Like, this is G22?
Yeah.
Oh, Galaxy! Wow!
Uy, thank you for the galaxy.
Parang grand sponsor si Mommy Pin.
Sana nagustuhan mo yung Dubai Chewy. Yes! Sasarap ng Dubai Chewy chocolate. Thank you so much.
We want merch.
Meron guys.
Touchy.
Announce lang soon.
Wow, thank you for the disco.
Hi, Janela.
Grabe yung disco, thank you.
Pwede ba umupo dito? Mukhang timang kasi pag umupo ako dito.
Okay lang, basta di ka papaalisin. Huwag mo lang naman kung, di ba lang?
Nasa stage. Alam nyo, na-realize ko, sinulat ko yung lakong pake, pero I realize I care too much. Wow.
Para sa sarili mo, para i-convince sa sarili mo na wala ka.
The Nile is a river in Egypt.
Ay, akala ko.
Your husband.
Is sleeping with my child. Mali. Ano ba to?
Guys, saan pwede makakuha ng official photo cards nila? We will release... we will... Wait.
Baka mag-spoiler ka, AJ, ah.
AJ, ah.
Tapos, basta ano guys, yung tickets namin, sobrang gusto namin. Hindi sayang. I mean, sobrang sulit.
Hindi kayo magsisisi na pumunta kayo sa concert.
Gusto namin sulit.
Promise. Light
Kaya
stick.
pumunta na kayo sa concert namin, guys.
I guess kayo. Kayo yung guest na.
Kayo yung guest namin kasi gusto namin makikisabay kayo sa mga kanta namin. Uy, thank
Ay,
you.
taray, may paano.
Taray mo kitapin. Ah, nakikita rin yung mga...
Guys, pag nag-sold...
Nikoni-koni, anatawa nikoni-koni.
Saan yung place?
So,
New Frontier Theater. It's near Arnett.
Mga nagsasal ng gift.
New Frontier Theater.
Nandun daw ba si Alpea sa
July
concert?
12.
Sana nga.
Lechi.
Depende.
Increase us with your presence out
Very
there.
sure. Baka busy ako.
Baka busy siya eh.
Ano na lang kami
Baka busy siya.
when we were young. Adele.
Wala, si G22 official.
何してるのキタレトオフィシャル何してるの
What does that mean?
What are you doing, G22 official?
Happy anniversary, guys!
Happy.
Guys, pinag-iisipan pa namin yung happy anniversary, happy 1 year.
Idea. Wow!
Actually,
I just thought of an idea.
Pinag-iisipan namin yung... go.
sasabihin ko lang sana yung kinoconsider natin again yung sarili natin na 1 year yung debut song natin is yung Palaban na because yun talaga yung nag-mark ng kung sino tayo and also ba't nga ba ulit?
Sa Palaban tayo!
Woo! Thank you for the
We fought for ourselves. We fought for this group to work. We fought for our dreams. Yun. It's 1 year of fighting.
and talaga
So-
tatlo na to kaming tatlo
Oh! There's a whale.
yun, it's a whale. Nanan ko kung sino nagbigay. Oh my gosh, di ko na makita ulit. 10 ka isa pa para makita ko. Sorry.
And happy Women's Month as well.
Very shouting.
AJ, don't shout it out.
Ay, sorry kasi nakadikit yun.
Sabi ni AJ kanina. And happy Women's Month as well.
Oh my gosh. It's like a...
Pero hindi naman ako natin. Central tulol ako sa passport na AJ. Sana po lahat
papunta
sa live ngayon ay makabili ng SBI ticket.
Wow, thank you so much for the compliment.
Lalaban pa ba yung battle ni AJ? Haha. Lalaban pa daw ba siya? Ayun.
Namatay siya? Hello?
Hello.
Thank you, Ninja, for the whale.
Aw, thank you. Thanks, guys. Naghahang ata si AJ. Laban lang daw AJ. Sabi ni Jayanor.
Feeling ko kasi 4% na lang ako.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bakit naman, guys? Saka lang.
Hindi ako pwede makicharge na sa labas.
So, 7.
Saan ako makikicharge? Sa, sa bench?
7.
Parang may ice cream cup.
Malapit ka ba sa ice cream, babe?
Palagi may power bank usually. Sa kanya, ako hindi lang. Minsan kay Althea, basta ako palagi wala.
Oo.
If I have a charger, then God bless! Wow! Bless
Congrats.
the Philippines. That's like once a year.
Sana lahat po na nanonood dito ngayon makapanood po ng concert namin. Nagaganapin sa July 12. And yan. Sprinkle ko kayo ng SBIP dust.
May oras ngayon para mag-ipon kayo before we announce the ticket website. Ticket selling.
Yeah.
We've announced the prices already para you can start to think about where you want to sit. Also the seating plan. At the stage, we're gonna keep it a secret for now. May paandar yung stage.
Oo. Gumagalaw yung stage. Mali.
3%. Low.
Ate ko, huwag kang mawala sa amin.
Manghiram ng power bank.
Thank you, Bakbak.
Dare kay AJ, manghiram ng power bank sa kung sinong dumadaan dyan ngayon. Sabi nila sa comments.
Naka-low power mode ka?
Oo.
Lahat ng challenge na nila, ganun no, manghiram ng power bank.
Hirap ka. Hanap ako. Ayan. May power bank ka? Kapatid. May charger ka?
Akala ko stranger.
Sige, stranger. Hiram tayo sa, ano,
Uy, joke lang.
hiram tayo sa katabing table.
I would actually do that.
I don't know.
May emergency lang.
Gusto niyo po sumama sa live ko?
AJ, mag-move it ka. Dito,
Power bank kayo.
Kaya.
Power bank kayo.
Oo, mabilis yan mo.
3% na lang ako. Kasi yung car ko nasa Valley. Kita mo? Kunin mo. Kunin mo nga. Hindi, yung sa, kunin mo yung... Ay, wait lang.
Hindi ko na siya. Tumahimik! Oh my gosh!
Kumusta ka, Jen Chalfie? Long time no see.
Long time no see. Ayun, kakatapos ko lang naman po sa ngipin.
Yeah.
Yo, kakatapos lang natin.
We're working on something right now, guys. So we're gonna see if Alfie is gonna be able to join us tomorrow. But nonetheless, Alfea will.
Sali na ako agad after nung bukas.
Yeah, at least maybe.
Oo.
At least the most important thing is siguro you're not jumping. You should have to mark.
Oo. Pero kaya ko na yun after ng tomorrow.
Ayan, may gustong mag-hi.
Uy, thank you for the corgi. Thank you, Pangipin. Thank you, Lowe.
Joaquin, come here.
Say hi to our godson. Come here.
Grandson.
Come here, baby.
Joaquin, come here.
Stop.
Where is he?
Wala sa mood eh.
Come here.
Gusto ka, bilis ka.
Say hi to your ninang to.
Nina.
I get you. Nina. Yes, I get you. I understand.
Baby.
Iyak siya eh. Yung isa dyan, ninang na din. Ay, ninang tita na rin.
Kitang ina. Tapos yung dalawa dyan, magiging ninang ulit.
So many children.
Yes.
2%. Laban, 2%.
Nalamukulin mong ninang. Kasi very generous sila. Charot.
Kailangan ako maging
Tom, charing.
Oo nga, may extra.
Thank you, Fun. Thank you, Kimmy. You're awesome.
Thank you, guys. Ano mangyayari pag namatay yung battery hindi tayo sa okay, ah?
Naka-charge ka na ba, AJ?
Hindi. Binukuha pa lang yung sasakyan kasi nandun yung charger.
Ayan. Hindi ko maabot.
Mag-iintay muna tayo pagka at least may charger na si Bakla.
Hey, Mimi.
Thank you, Angels Official. Nag-dinner na ba kayo? Tanong ni Ali. Opo, busog na ako. Thank you for the brownies. Ang puti ko.
I'm glad that you liked it, Kylie. It was consensual. Anong ulam?
Hi! Thank you, Fred.
It's dinner time.
Hindi na time. Hindi na raw oras.
Yeah. What are you guys gonna eat?
Dinner pala. I ate na. I had early dinner.
Bakit? Hindi, yung sasakyan, doon ako pupunta na.
Warm pa rin yung work.
Kunin ko na. Sasakyan na ako. Sasakyan muna ako. Aray, kumutot pa ako man. Saan na to? Saan nga? Ay, doon lang talaga sa harap? Hindi pa, babalik ka. Ha?
I need you to choose.
Tour.
Ayan.
Nalive tayo sa loob.
Ako namatay na ta.
1%!
Tubig, run! Natakbo siya niyo. Takbo sa...
Pwede pa. Yung car ko. Ay, ano ba? Kung mabilis na, kung mag-charge lang ako. Thank you. Ay, sorry.
Hi guys!
Hey, 1%.
Yes! Nasa kwarto ko yun. Ayan, umabot si Akoy.
Bawal daw ata mag-live sa loob ng car.
Hindi naman mahal. Pwede pa. Kita. Ganito lang.
Ayan.
Namatay.
Dalawa na sila naka-live post. Naka-pause.
Umabot?
Ayan. Umabot siya. Umabot siya.
PJ.
Congratulations.
Music mo.
Yes. Eh, nilinig niyo ba?
Pasabog naman ng background music mo, be.
You have changed your heart.
May mga gusto ba kayong sabihin bago tayo mag-concert? And dahil anniversary natin today, bagong anniversary,
Hello, or tayo?
tayo. Kayo.
Gusto ko lang sabihin na it has been like yesterday I was scrolling through my iPad, my tablet, and I saw, because I use it as like a hard drive, and I saw like some of our videos, and it's just nice to see how much we've grown, like really into adulthood, and also like professionally, creatively, and can't wait in the future to look back at things like this, our first concert when we've had multiple albums, and look back on days like this and think, ay grabe, nila this. No, but congrats guys, love you guys, and to all of our bullets. Thank you guys, you are the reason why we keep pushing and we continue to push sa Palaban era, sa musika era, sa lahat ng mga eras namin. Kaya talaga yun. I thank you. Ciao.
Sino next? Yeah.
Ha? Ako ba?
Yes.
Ako nagtanong.
Yeah, ikaw.
Paano ba? Hindi ko alam. I'm just so grateful for those na totoo naniniwala sa craft namin and sa advocacies namin, and we're just so grateful for every bullet na naniniwala ever since hanggang ngayon, and for fighting. Yes. Ayoko, maiyak ako ngayon eh. Yun na muna. Naiyak na ako kanina pa eh. Pero thank you guys. Sana huwag niyo isipin na hindi namin nararamdaman yung pagmamahal niyo. Kasi ramdam namin yun. Siyempre, may mga times lang na pero huwag niyo isipin na hindi namin napapahalagahan, o huwag niyo isipin na hindi namin nakikita at nararamdaman yung totoo yung pagmamahal. Kasi ramdam talaga namin yun, as in sobra. Promise. Ayoko. Go, Alpea. Take it away.
Walk it.
So, si AJ po kasi naging emotional. Tapos si Jasmine, I really agree with her. Ayun po, thank you. Joke lang. Ano yung tanong ko?
Like any sentiments?
Oo nga pala. Actually, hindi pa rin ako. Actually, feeling ko kaming tatlo. Makapaniwala na magkakaroon na kami ng solo concert. And to think na sa New Frontier siya, gaganapin. It's actually, para sa amin, it's a big, place para pag-performan. So, grabe yung kaba namin. Grabe rin yung mga self-doubt namin, pero at the same time, grabe rin yung tiwala namin sa inyo lahat. So, kahit anong mangyari, ginagawa namin ito para sa inyo guys, and para na rin sa mga goals and happiness namin sa buhay. So, thank you so much kasi nagiging part kayo guys ng happiness namin sa life. Naging part kayo ng inspiration namin. So, para sa inyo to. We love you guys! Also, bago ang lahat, yung isa nakapost ng live, yung isa umiiyak. Gustong-gusto namin pasalamatan yung magiging director po namin dito sa concert namin na ito, si Direk John Prats. Hi guys, ako na lang muna. Si Direk John Prats, kasi siya lang, nakakapag-meeting na kami with him. Meeting with Direk John Prats team, meeting with 1032 Lab, meeting with mga taga-CS, and also kami, very hands-on kami sa magiging concert na to. Kasi gusto namin ibigay sa inyo yung pinakakaya namin, and best na makakaya namin na concert. So, we're very hands-on and we're thankful kay Direk John Prats din kasi nagigets niya yung vision namin for this concert. Nagigets niya yung puso namin. Nagigets niya yung puso namin, nagigets niya yung gusto namin mensahe for the bullets.
Yes. That was beautiful.
And thank you sa lahat ng team namin behind this. And also thank you, girls.
Love you.
Sorry. Oh my gosh. What?
From Valentine's Day to anniversary. Oh my God, ano to? Ano to? Ano tayo?
Alam natin.
Oh my goodness. You like Pino?
Uy, ano ba? Huwag mo ipahalata. Shh. Sorry.
Hi. So yeah, now me and Althea will sing.
Ikaw lang.
And guys, we just are really thankful for everything
and everyone we've come across. We still have so far to go, but you know, we really want you to be a part of our first concert. We're really gonna give our best, and perfect kasi we wanted to do a concert, like we didn't want to do a concert until we had an album, and pinush talaga namin yung album, kaya stream nyo yan guys, para alam niyo yung lyrics pag
Actually, yung album, bago yan maging album, EP muna yung ano, di ba? Yung plan. EP lang.
pinush talaga namin.
Parang, tas kasama na dun guys yung Filipina Queen tsaka Palaban. Parang, so pinush talaga namin yung songs namin.
Ano yung pinush?
O, pinush talaga namin yung mga songs. Ito, nakapagsulat ng Groove On, ng First, nakapagsulat ng... Ang dami. Super Saiyan, Until When, Filipina Queen. So, gusto talaga namin na maraming mabigay. Para marami rin kayong pag-aaralan bago mag-concert.
Isang Google Drive yun, like songs ni Afis, songs ni AJ, songs ko. Nasa Google Drive lahat. Parang dinump namin lahat. Like, pila na lang kayo, guys! Which one do you like?
Oo.
Buti na lang supportin.
Pili-pili lang. Buti na naman ko siya si CS.
Shout out to all. Man,
Thank you so much.
your love. And also, of course, they're part of our journey. Sila nagbuo sa amin. So, we wouldn't have found each other for you. So thank you, Cornerstone.
Yeah.
And the director of our concert is...
Sabi ko na kanina, director trans.
Ay, sorry naman kanina. Sorry na.
Nakapost ka, oo, gets. Nakapost ka kanina. Nasabi ko na rin na yung mga meeting natin with Direct John Prats, yung 10:32, and also yung very hands-on tayo
Yes.
sa concert. Kasi gusto natin nga ipakita sa kanila kung sino talaga tayo. Charing. Ay, wala. So, kung ikaw nga at ako. Pero, ako sasabihin ko lang akin, grabe pa rin yung kaba ko sa concert. Hindi pa rin siya nagsisink in sa akin. Like, what? May solo concert tayo? Kasi sanay ako na, yes, nagka-concert kami, but with other big artists. Parang, hindi ako sanay na yung para sa amin talaga na concert. So, hindi pa rin siya nagsisink in.
And we've accomplished a lot of large stages and venues dahil sa mga brands and fans na titiwala sa amin. So we get to taste, you know, that and like the stages. So thank you so much first and foremost for believing in us before we even had our solo concert. First, sure you guys are gonna be there, mga ninangs.
Ilist natin lahat.
Yes. Alright, number one.
Ninang na nagtiwala sa atin nung naging tatlo tayo.
Ninang Acer. Love you, Ninang!
Thank you so much, Ninang Acer, for believing in us. And talagang dinadala niyo rin kami kung saan-saan. Kasi grabe yung tiwala niyo sa amin.
Ninang Acer pure as well. Because
Oo. Tama lang natin kahit pa ano si Predator? Sound.
until the end of my life, I will be using Acer.
Mga ano din. Sino ba second after ni Acer?
In order,
Yeah?
Ninang Queen,
Sorry po.
Ninang Bench. No, Ninang.
Yata.
I don't know the order.
Wait lang, nasa highlights ko lang to.
Ninang Maybelline ata.
Ninang Maybelline nga yata, oh.
Ninang Maybelline! Dream! Oh my
Ninang
God.
Pure Gold muna! Ninang Pure Gold! Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, Fairy Gold Mother. Aming Fairy Gold Mother. Maraming salamat po. Talagang sprinkle nyo kami ng inyong blessings sa buhay. Isa rin kayo sa nagtiwala sa amin.
That's true. And if I may not be mistaken, I think our next fairy in our life, we call them fairies as well because they're like magic. They give us so much inspiration. It feels like magic. I think that's Maybelline.
Yes, si Fair Glam Water.
Yes!
Our
So
favorite
glam na glam on our day.
Yes, thank you so much, Fair Glam Mother Maybelline. Mahal na mahal namin kayo. You keep us...
And then we have the G in G22 is
Gcash.
thank you so much. Definitely.
Of Gcash. Makikita nyo kami guys sa Gcash Run. Nasa schedule namin yan, scheduler. So, kung gusto nyo tumakbo, magpaka-healthy, and makita kami, and also, malay nyo may something na pa-surprise ni ng Gcash, tara na po sa Gcash Run.
I'll take it away. If you want to join the Gcash run, just go to the Cash G app, and then click G Forest, and you can sign up so that we can run and be healthy.
So, ang next natin is si Ninong Bench.
Yes,
Tito Bench.
I girls do it well. Yeah, we love all of our brands so far that we mentioned. They've really given us a lot of inspiration, a lot of coverage. So thank you so much. And then after bench, we have
May extra muna kay Tito Bench kasi ang dami kong friends na and also mga taga-ibang lugar na nakikita tayo because of Tito Bench.
Yes.
Thank you so much din po sa pagtitiwala niyo sa amin na kami yung ilalagay niyo sa harap ng store niyo.
Yes.
That was first time yun para sa amin na makita namin halos sa lahat ng malls yung sarili namin. And grabe po yung tiwala niyo. Thank you so much. And also, malapit na yung Bench Fashion Week nila.
Yes.
Okay, guys.
Yeah.
And meron?
And next, for our glamorous hair, we have Cream Silk.
Thank you po. Grabe. Nabubuhay. Nakakapit yung buhok po namin dahil sa inyo ni Crimson.
Lama. At they have
Yeah.
types of products for all types of hair. Like AJ, she has brown hair, bleached hair. We have like thinning hair. There's like so many different things. So thank you for getting us, Cream Silk, believing in us. That campaign with all the queens was just like so inspiring. Not only for us, I think also our followers. Don't you think?
Yeah. It also felt so empowering. So, sana ganun din yung na-feel ng mga nakakita and also yung mga kasama natin. Like,